How to change theme in Outlook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Outlook application. Then tap on your profile icon from your top left corner. Now, on your bottom left, go to Settings. Here in this quick settings section, go to Display and Appearance. Now, you can select your theme like this. If you choose system, it will be changed or be set to the theme that you have in your device. But if you want custom made theme, you can select either light or dark. And in light, you also get to choose the colors and apply images. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.